Nice.
BB-8. Prep the ready room for recruits. Commander 9-Num, please report back to IGS cockpit.
Is everyone assembled? Good. Shouldn't you be at flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a First Order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pokhara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kai.
Delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander Poldam and then a squadron of X-Wings shall escort us to the... Transport is away in 30 seconds. Good. You open another hyperdrive? Yes. Check the hyperdrive also.
Transport takeoff in 20 seconds.
Hyperdrive is running out ready for you. Good. Yes. I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Pokhara. Red 2, Blue 5, keep tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on my mark. Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything? Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB-8, what do you got? There appear to be a number of small craft. Right 2, Blue 5, we got a clear path so transport can make a jump. Get us clear so we can make the jump. Be ready, you won't have much time. Where are all those? He's pulling us in. I'll get some friends to make this a fair fight. Don't worry, I'll come back for you. Stay strong. Little twig, get out there. They'll want the location of our secret base. Tell them nothing. The future of the Resistance is at stake.
Sympathizers, this ship is under the command of the First Order. You will disembark immediately. Proceed to the corridors on your right and prepare for interrogation. Off the ship, now.
Another 10 minutes. Nice.
Let the three guys of any kind take.
Oh, that shouldn't probably do that.
Of the First Order, we will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay.
You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
Attack force. Get to the escape pods now. Lieutenant Beck. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. To the hallway. Turn right. Probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Then stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, it goes to the prisoner. Immigration is operation.
Your cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Detention for breach. Prisoners not seen with SMT. There they are! Fire!
This does not look good. Try to find another way down to the escape pods.
The Resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage. I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run. There's no escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the Resistance.
You guys really like cutting it close, don't you? Okay, you're clear. Your escape pods came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck. All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're Resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. Line up. Scan for his pod beacon.
4 escape pods down in Sector 4. Verification pending from Key Command personnel.